to my next vlog. Today I am traveling for 7 hours by train to Austria. I get to go skiing. I'm super excited. I'm on the train right now, just left my previous exchange student's house in Switzerland. I had an incredible time in Switzerland and I'm so sad to be leaving, but I know that I will be coming back soon, hopefully, because it's just so wonderful here and I always have a wonderful time with my previous exchange student and her family. So happy that I was able to come and looking forward to the next adventure. So stay tuned for Austria. Jetzt bin ich an dem dritten Zug der Tag. Es ist auch der letzte Zug der Tag, so das ist toll. Nach dieses Zug, ich habe 30 Minuten oder so, dann endlich bin ich da am Reisen. Okay, so it is officially 2019, whoop whoop, in Austria, and there's like a big ski mountain over here. So we were gonna go today, but we woke up so late because the festivities last night. We went out to dinner. It was so much fun. So we're gonna go tomorrow, and I'm so excited. I did not go skiing at all in 2018, which is so sad. But starting 2019 off right, going skiing, and I've never skied in a new place. I've always skied at this one place outside of Anchorage in Alaska. So I am a little bit nervous to be on unfamiliar trails, but I'm also really excited to explore and try some new things and hopefully not get lost. That would be pretty bad. There's lots of snow. Yesterday we built a snowman. Yeah, now we're just going for a walk, getting some fresh air. We're gonna, at some point, hopefully, go to Salzburg. So we'll go and see the city. Tomorrow, if we go skiing, I'm bringing my GoPro. You can't really see me, but we're on the mountain. Visibility is not 100%, but it's really nice and fluffy, as you can see here. And we're gonna have a good time. Right? First time. Cali girl is about to go skiing on the real deal mountain. Look at this girl. She's figuring it out. You're on camera, so be confident. Be cool. There you go. See? That's pretty much how it's been for the last, I don't know, 30 minutes. But look at this snow. Look, I am knee deep in powder right now. This is a great day for skiing. Also, apparently Austrians and Germans don't like to ski when there's fog. So the mountain is relatively empty. So I'm enjoying myself right now. This girl's struggling a little bit, but she's learning. Little update. We made one run down and it took us a while. So Alejandra is going to take a break and then she's gonna go on like the smaller hill. So now I'm going up by myself. We're gonna meet later for some food. So now I'll be by myself, but that's okay. Another little thing, this chairlift can fit 6 people. I am the only one on it. Also, they have a little bubble. My dad always told me about these little bubbles to keep out the wind and snow. And now I finally get to use one. And it's really nice. I love it. guess just a little bit of an update. This mountain is really big, like it takes so long on the lifts, and then coming down is just so much fun. It's a bit cold. It's unusual not to be using my own ski gear, but it doesn't matter. I'm skiing in Austria, like that's so cool. I've never skied anywhere else. It's amazing. It is so awesome up here. I'm glad I came today. All right, we're at the bottom. Oh my God. That's never looks so good. Oh my God, it smells so good. I'm so excited. Sometimes you forget how hungry you get, so I'm going to dive right into this. So it looks like this is going to be my last run. I had an amazing time today. So awesome. Kind of sad that it's gonna be over after this, but man, I had so much fun. My legs are absolutely killing me. So if you've been there since the beginning of my YouTube vlog channel, you will recognize this place because this was one of the places I went to in my very first vlog, and that is Salzburg, Austria. I was with my class last time, and now just the two of us are here exploring, and we're gonna check out the city and do some fun stuff. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. It's so cold though. It was March last time I was here, so it was a little bit warmer and much less snow. I don't know when the last time I filmed was, but we're done now. We're done with our tour for today. I'm actually really impressed with myself. I remembered like where most of the things were since I was here in March, so that's pretty awesome. I'm pretty proud of myself for my long-term memory, because my short-term memory is crap. We did a lot today, and we bought these Salzburg card, and you pay one price, and then you can use it in like pretty much all of these destinations throughout the city. Pretty much the more places you go, the more money you save. So we got our money's worth and more out of the card. I got to do a couple of new things today, which was really nice. Alejandra got to do everything new today, so that was really exciting. We got a couple of souvenirs, we got postcards, we had lunch, which was nice, and yeah, now we're heading back. We're so tired. Yeah, we're super glad we came. It was a great day. It's a little bit cold, a little bit colder than it was in March. It's all right, it was a great day, and now we're gonna go home and relax and change clothes and go to sleep eventually, so. All right, so today is the last day. Pretty much all we're doing is packing up, cleaning the house, and then we will be on our way home, driving all the way back to the Dusseldorf area, so it should be like a 7-hour drive, which is long, but I think it'll be good. Give me time to do my vlog, which is why I'm ending it here. So I hope you enjoyed, as always. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment, something nice down below. I will see you in the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye!